In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money abroad for free with crypto using Binance. For more information or for a written step-by-step guide, please check out everybithelps.io. If you're looking to send money abroad, you may be used to sending this via traditional money transfers. But money transfers can be slow, plus banks and money transfer operators can charge high fees for international transfers, which can then take several days to process the transaction. This can be frustrating, especially if you need to send money urgently. Now, while traditional banks and money transfer operators have been the go-to option for many people in the past, cryptocurrency could be the solution to faster transfers and a way to save on fees, especially when using the likes of a peer-to-peer exchange. Binance P2P, part of the Binance Exchange, is a crypto platform that enables traders worldwide to buy and sell crypto directly with each other. It offers more than 150 different payment options, and there's no trading fees, allowing you to buy crypto in exchange for your local currency. Those cryptocurrencies could then be transferred to another Binance user for free using only their Binance ID, their phone number or email address. Then if the user would prefer to hold fiat or traditional currencies as opposed to the crypto that you've sent to them, they can simply then sell their crypto for cash, again using the peer-to-peer exchange. So let's jump in and take a look at an example now. I'm from the UK and I've got GBP, but what if I want to send someone in India rupees that they can then simply withdraw from their bank account? As I said, we're going to be doing this process using crypto and the Binance Exchange. If you don't already have a Binance account, then I'm going to have a link in the summary that'll get you a bonus plus some discounts from your trading fees. Once you've logged in, you're going to need to head across to the top of the page and choose Buy Crypto. Then P2P Trading. And with Binance P2P, there are different types of modes, which are Express and P2P. With the Express mode, you can place an order directly by entering in an amount, choosing your crypto, and selecting a payment type from the available options. These orders are then matched based on the best crypto price available on the P2P markets. By choosing the P2P tab at the top here, you'll see that there are a lot more options for you to trade with. You can enter in an amount, then choose your currency from the drop-down, how you'd like to pay, and there's also some available regions. So P2P transactions are trades that are carried out directly between two users, meaning that fiat currency can only be transferred between the two users if the buyer and the seller's payment method match. For example, I've selected GBP and Monzo, which I'm going to use to buy some crypto. In order to complete my P2P order, the system will only match sellers that also have a Monzo account that can receive GBP transfers from me. Here you'll see the advertiser's details, displaying their name and completion rates, their price, showing the lowest first as we're currently buying, and then some limits and payment methods, and these will all contain Monzo as that's what I filter my results by. Before you place a P2P trade, you'll need to ensure that you've passed identity verification. Plus you'll need to add your payment methods, which you can do by choosing More in the top right of the screen here. Then click on to Payment Methods. And if we scroll down, there's an option for P2P payment methods. And I'm going to click on to Add Payment Method. Then More. Then search for the payment method that you want to add. And you may find that these options will vary here depending on your location. When choosing a payment method to add, just be aware that the information must be correct and real, and it must match your KYC info on Binance. When you confirm the information, you may then be prompted to enter in some security information just to ensure that it's you. And once you've set up your payment method, if we now head back to P2P, you can then select the cryptocurrency that you want to choose by choosing the tabs at the top here. And Binance P2P supports USDT, BNB, Ethereum and DAI. You then need to find a seller who's willing to sell the cryptocurrency for fiat and has a Monzo payment method. As I said earlier, the lowest price will appear first. However, this might not be right for you, as some of them will have minimum amounts, and in this test example today, I just want to buy £50 of USDT. So instead, I'm going to need to select a seller within my range. Once you've found your seller, you can view further information in relation to them, for example their completion rate, how much they have available, and the payment time limits. To go ahead, you enter in the amount that you want to pay, and it will then show you how much crypto that you're going to receive. Then click the green Buy button, and you'll see that I've successfully placed an order. I'm then taken to a page providing me with some instructions. So here it states that I now need to transfer the payment to the seller, and I'll need to leave the Binance website to do this, and at this time Binance will keep the crypto in custody. Underneath it provides me with some information of where to transfer my funds to, so I've selected Monzo and it provides me with the bank details. So I'm going to hop over to my Monzo account and make this payment using the details shown on screen. And they've also got some notes on the right hand side of the screen. Let me know any kind of references that I'll need to include. And each seller will obviously be different, so just make sure that you are following the individual payment instructions shown on your screen. Once you've transferred the funds, you'll need to press the yellow button, stating that you've transferred and to notify the seller. To confirm the payment, you then have to upload proof of payment and accept that you have read and understood the information shown on screen. In this example, I've just taken a few screenshots of my Monzo app. Then choose to confirm payment. In under a minute, I've then received a message from the seller on the right of the screen here. And they've also given me a confirmation stating that they've received my payment and that the USDT has then been sent to my account. So I'm going to check that now by choosing View My Balance in yellow in the center of the screen. These funds will go into your funding wallet in Binance. Under USDT, you'll now see my newly purchased assets. And I could stop there and just hold this crypto, or I could sell it for an alternative fiat using P2P, or I can trade it for another crypto. However, as I said at the beginning, what I'm trying to do here is send someone rupees without all the charges. Now I know that these charges aren't going to be huge by using money transfers or banks when sending smaller amounts like this example of £50. But it sometimes is based on a percentage of the amount that you're transferring, and these can start to add up, especially when you're sending larger amounts. So what I'm going to do first now is send this USDT to my recipient, so that they can then convert this to the currency of their choice. And if they're a Binance user, I can send them this USDT for free. So if I choose the three dots to the right of the asset that I want to send, then choose Send from the drop-down. I then have the option to send crypto to Binance users via email, phone number, Pay ID, or their Binance ID. In this example, I'm going to choose email. Then you'll need to enter in the email address of the person that you want to send to with a Binance account, and choose Continue. You'll then need to enter in the amount that you want to send. Plus you can enter in a note here if you want as a reference which the recipient can see, and choose Continue. And if you've got two-factor authentication set up on your account, you're going to be prompted to enter that in. And right now, Binance actually have a promotion when using Binance Pay. Therefore, I've received a gift. And I've won a $1 voucher by the looks of it. So now, let's say that we're the recipient of this crypto, i.e. the person who wants to receive the Indian rupees. Well, they would now log into their Binance account. Then head to the wallet from the top of the screen and choose Funding Wallet, where you'll now see that USDT. But say, for example, this person is in India and instead they want Indian rupees. Well, now they can head across to Buy Crypto from the top of the screen and head to P2P trading. This time, instead of being on the Buy tab, they're going to choose Sell, which is now highlighted in red. And they could now simply reverse the process, but this time for INR, transferring to a bank account in India. So I'm now going to enter in the amount in INR, and the equivalent of that 52 USDT is around 4,000 INR. Then choose the best rate for your trade. Enter the amount that you want to sell, where you can then either manually enter that in or choose to sell it all, and it will show you your rate. Again, you will need to set up your payment methods and then choose to sell USDT. And again, that will all be fee-free. So we've now bought crypto with our GBP from our Monzo account. We've then sent it across to the Binance user who could potentially be in another country, and they've then sold that and withdrawn that to their bank account. So that's a way that you can potentially send money abroad for free using crypto and Binance. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.